and welcome back to the USS Slater. A lot of you are new because of the explosion of subscribers that we got from running the 8-cylinder engine video. Well, the fun's done and it's time to get back to work, and I'm going to take you along on some of the things that we need to get done today. Okay, so let's just walk you through kind of where we stand here. So last week, or was it the week before? I don't remember. This here is the seawater pump, okay? And then there's the freshwater pump right here. And the freshwater is actually a bucket of coolant. Okay, so when you look down in here, that's where the packing lives, and then down in there is where the packing drips. And then there is a 3/4 inch plug there that just gets adapted out, and that allows us to hang this bucket here and control the dripping. When it was in service, this would have just dripped, it would have ran into the bilge, and it would have been pumped overboard. Now here on the freshwater pump, no, the seawater pump, sorry, this one leaks quite a bit more, and this one does not have the drain there. So today I'm putting that drain together, and that way we can come straight out, and then we can do a 45 around here, and we can just hang a bucket there in order to control that. Because if you don't control those leaks, we either can't run the engine, or you just end up with a giant mess, like down there where we have the oil and water kind of mix that's collected at the bottom.
That they paid off the union.
Like I always said about our union, the only union we had was a credit union.
Okay, so I ran back to the fittings cabinet, and this is what I've got picked out here. So we'll just go ahead and see how it dry fits together. Okay, so first things is we'll get this one in. Okay, now, heck, you probably can't see that. Let's see. Okay, so we've brought it straight down, and now we're going to adapt it from 3/4 to the 1/2 inch. Okay, and then we'll get this just to bring it out. See, and then we'll put a 45 on it. And then this is another 1/2 inch coming off the 45. And we got this fitting here, but this is just going to be so that the bucket that we hang on it has something to, you know, pull on. And that is the line. And there's our new drip bucket. Alright, so I've got the engine room buttoned up. This is what we've got. So that's the 3/4 line. You can't see it, but it is there. It comes down, gets reduced to a 1/2 inch line. And then there's half of a union here that's just to hold the bucket here. And then when the engine is running, any drips that come from the packing fall down to the bottom of the casting, come through here, and then just fill the bucket up. Only thing left to do is just snug all of this up, and then that'll be as good as a bucket hanging on a pipe can be. You know, we may remove these pumps and, you know, rebuild them and, you know, renew the packing and all that. But for now, this is just fine, so long as we can control where the water goes. The water that did leak out of there, anything that didn't leak past me while I was tending the bucket, fell down inside this is an oil sump below the 8-cylinder. And so some of that water ended up under there, but I've got that all cleaned up. So next thing to do is to just, you know, navigate some rags through there, and that'll be just fine. In some upcoming videos, we need to either run this engine one more time and fine-tune some things, or make the decision and winterize it. Winterizing it, that's a whole day project. You know, getting it ready to go through these beautiful New York winters that we have here. This compartment is heated during the winter. The sea chest has an air bubble. It's heated. If you've been subscribed for a while, you've seen me fill it up with air before. But yeah, so we're coming full circle. We are getting ready for winter again, and that does mean that this old girl here has to go back to sleep. So that'll be it. We'll see you next time.